How to use a DSLR as a new user. When first time I got my first DSLR camera, I was also confused like you. But today I'm going to help you with camera settings. Okay, enough talking, now let's get started to work. DSLR is very complicated for new user because there is a lot of stuff like shutter speed, aperture, ISO and focus, a lot of things, and you have to use all of the things to make a great image. So today I'm going to show you some basic settings of DSLR camera because most of the new user they make a lot of mistakes about their settings, so they do not get their perfect shot. So most of the time they try to shoot with auto mode. Just remember, if you try to shoot with auto mode, this is not convenient for you and you are not going to get full taste of DSLR camera because people buy DSLR camera for have a manual settings and control over your camera, so you will get your dream photo you want. Okay, before we start our video, please subscribe this channel because we upload video about photography and cinematography and about media. So if you love to learn photography or something like that, so you will get a lot of video in this channel, so please subscribe. Okay, first of all you need to set up your DSLR camera as manual mode and then set your focus is auto system, that's mean you are going to use autofocus, and then set your white balance is auto because your camera will decide your white balance, and if that is some critical situation then I will tell you how to change your white balance, but for now just leave it auto. Okay, now move on to your second settings. Now your second settings is shutter speed. Most of the new user they made mistake of shutter speed. So shutter speed is very important for DSLR photography. So you should set your shutter speed 60 to 80. That is ideal shutter speed for normal photo. Set your shutter speed at 60 and move on to next setting. Okay, now ISO. ISO is one more useful settings of DSLR camera because ISO define how much dark or light you will make your image. So you will get 100 to a lot of ISO range, but for general photography set it 100 ISO, then we will talk about it later. Now move on to your next setting. Okay, now aperture. Aperture is one more useful feature of DSLR camera. If you are using kit lens or zoom lens, you will get 3.2 maximum range of aperture, and if you are using prime lens you will get 1.8 aperture. So if you are using zoom lens or kit lens, set it on 3.2, and if you are using prime lens then set it on 1.8. Okay, now take a picture with this setting, and if you find out your picture is a little bit dark then increase your ISO, and if you get your picture a little bit brighter, that means overexposed, then increase your shutter speed. This is general idea of making brighter and darker photo, but there is a lot of way, but you are new user of DSLR camera, so I just try to keep it short as possible. Okay, that was general setting of DSLR camera, and later when you will get used to use it, then you will find a lot of settings and you will able to make some very nice image and very dreamy image or any kind of photo what you like to take, and you will get used to it. So see you in the next video, and I hope you like this video. Please thumbs up if you like this video and share this video if you think it might help others, and be sure to subscribe of course, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.